See, first of all, the state government of Karnataka is misusing the governors, and they are trying to misuse the governor, and they are trying to make him read things which are not true, things which have political intentions behind the speech what they have given to the governor to read out. So obviously, the government cannot give a speech which is full of lies and which is full of malicious things in that. So obviously, the governor has refused to say such false things in the floor of the assembly.
Even BJP had an option to discuss it and make government understand. What was the necessity to raise these slogans and why the BJP staged the protest inside the state?
See, the BJP didn't stage a protest because we had a see, BJP objected to the way they treated the governor. See, that was the thing. BJP objected to the way they treated the governor. He's the head of the state. He can't be treated like that. And the Gunda rowdy elements of Congress MLAs and MLCs came in the front, and they tried to manhandle the governor. They attempted to manhandle the governor, where the marshals, the duty of the marshals is to protect the head of the state, and they have done their duties.
Sir,
And
Mr. H.K. Patil, the law ministry, yesterday said that the governor did not even wait for the national anthem. So it's an insult to national anthem. He should apologize not to the no, he should apologize to the assembly
see,
about
the whole thing is about Congress government trying to make the governor say things which are not true, say things which are in malicious in nature, say things what they written in political intention, what they have written, they wanted the governor to read it out.
So Tamil Nadu CM Stalin, he has also tweeted that the similar pattern has been followed in the southern states after Tamil Nadu, Kerala, now Karnataka, and this is deliberate attempt. Now they are planning to move a resolution against BBG Ram. There are talks that even in assembly they will be moving the
all the
See,
resolution.
like-minded
it is
states will
a
come
right
together.
of the state government to move whatever resolution they want to do if they have the mandate. But they should also think whether it is right or wrong. They have just because they have a mandate, they are not caring for the truth of the matter or the legality of the matter, and they've been passing resolutions against the central government, right, left, and center, and they have disrespected the federal system of administration also. Meanwhile, all of this governments, all of the governments